Introducing the NCF-45. Whether you're looking to automate your current process or just getting into the business, this machine will take your company's encapsulation process to the next level. The NCF-45 is built for high reliability, safety, and a focus on reduced product loss. Designed specifically for medium-scale production and smooth operation. The NCF-45 is crafted as an operator-driven machine to give the machine more flexibility when producing capsules. This allows for quick changeover, producing up to 45,000 capsules per hour at 125 RPM. Review of the electrical cabinet components. The HMI color touchscreen display provides clear and easy control over manual and automatic modes of operation. Alarm settings ensure safe and flexible running. User management delegates employee access to HMI functions. The simple batch setting governs by batch size or runtime. Other features include maintenance settings for scheduled preventative maintenance and online support. Review of lower cabinet components. The NCF-45 has a steel tabletop, base, and subframe that is cladded in stainless steel to ensure rigid platform for long life and durability. The hand crank allows the operator to easily rotate the NCF-45 for assembly and disassembly. The pneumatic control cabinet allows the operator to safely set and view vacuum and air discharge settings while the machine is operational. The main drive assembly is a robust and proven solution. It includes a VFD motor and worm gearbox driving the main shaft via a heavy chain. The drive cams for all stations are hardened for long life and keyed to the main shaft for ease of timing. Review of upper cabinet components. The NCF-45 has a sturdy enclosure with 4 large gullwing-style safety doors, providing full viewing access while ensuring safe operation. The capsule orientation station reliably rectifies capsules, taking 2-piece empty capsules from the hopper and inserting them into the segments. As the capsules enter the segment, they are separated. Independent vacuum regulation and silicone suction cups beneath the lower segment ensure positive and quiet capsule separation, leaving the cap in the upper segment and pulling the capsule body in the lower segment. The machine is equipped with a scrolling auger inside the powder hopper, which is controlled via a capacitive proximity sensor over the dosing area. This setup maintains the powder level for consistent capsule weight. Hand knobs can be seen throughout the upper cabinet, reducing the time required for changeover. Next, the capsule will move to the dosing station to be filled with powder. The segment table and dosing disc are driven by reliable worm indexing gearboxes for smooth operation and long life. The 6-station tamper-style dosing can accommodate all types of powders. The filling weight is also determined by the tamping pen height adjustment and the dosing disc thickness. The NCF-45 is equipped with a faulty capsule ejecting unit. All unseparated empty capsules are removed prior to capsule ejection, eliminating empty capsules in the final product lot. The capsule closing station is easy to adjust for capsule size changeover, or fine adjustment for closed capsule length. The finished product is sent to the ejection chute, where capsules are collected by the press operator, which blasts regulated air through the capsule bores, preparing the segments to receive capsules once again. Finally, each segment passes over the cleaning station. Natoli's precisely engineered and manufactured machine produces consistent results with the time-tested tamper dosing method. With Natoli's technical support and large inventory of replacement parts, the robust NCF-45 offers years of seamless capsule production. Contact your Natoli representative today to be on your way to a better encapsulation experience with the Natoli NCF-45.